Okay, so for this equation, we're going to be solving for v. So to do that, we are going to start by combining like terms. So we have two like terms here. So we're going to go with 20 over 3. We're going to combine those like terms since this negative goes with the 2. That's going to give us 2v minus 1/2. Okay, so to isolate the v to solve for v, we're going to need to get it by itself. So we're going to add this, we're going to add 1/2 over here and add 1/2 on this side as well. This cancels. And we're going to need to add these fractions here. So to do that, we're going to need to make a common denominator. So we have 20 over 3 and 1/2. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to multiply these two numbers together, and we see that we get 6. So we're going to use that as our common denominator. So we ask ourselves the question, how do we get from 3 to 6? Well, the answer is simple because we just did that. We multiplied by 2. So we're going to multiply this by 2. This gives us 40 over 6. And we're going to do the same thing over here. We ask ourselves the question, well, how did we get from 2 to 6? Well, the answer is simple because we just multiplied by 3 over here. So we multiply by 3, multiply by 3. And this gives us 3 over 6. So now that these have the same denominator, we can add them. So 40 over 6 plus 3 over 6 gives us 43 over 6. Okay? So, since we added those, we have 43 over 6 is equal to this 2v that we still have left up here. Okay? So to get v by itself, we're going to divide by 2. And dividing by 2 is the same thing. We're dividing by something. It's the same thing if we want to flip it and multiply. So this looks like this. 43 over 6. Dividing by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. So we see that this gives us 43 over 12 is equal to B. And that is our answer.